IMI Hydronic Engineering is a leading provider of innovative and energy-saving heating solutions. Thanks to a wide range of products and services, we facilitate the design, assembly and operation of our installations. IMI Hydronic Engineering hires 1,800 people and is part of the IMI International Group with 10,000 employees worldwide. The plant in Olkusz contains 5 production halls, valves and balancing, D-vessels, TA valves, electronic, TSU and an office area. An important element of our work is to ensure a high standard in the field of safe and hygienic work to all people staying on the premises of the plant. In the interests of your safety, we present the most important health and safety rules applicable in our company. Please follow them when visiting the plant. Entry to the plant. Before entering the plant, inform the security guard about the purpose of your arrival and who you are going to. On the company's premises, you must obey the road signs and the speed limit of 20 km per hour. Watch out for other vehicles and pedestrians. Park the car backwards in the designated place. After arriving at the company, please go to the reception desk to sign on the guest list. Perform the electronic registration and collect the ID. The receptionist will also give you a leaflet with the most important safety rules. Please familiarise yourself with it. Wait for your guide. Personal protection. Put on protective glasses, a reflective vest. Put on a badge, put on safety shoes. If you don't have them, your guide will provide you with proper shoes with a flat sole. If you will be moving around the warehouse, wear a protective helmet. Follow the pictograms in front of the entrances to the production halls. They define the necessary personal protective equipment in a given area. Moving around the plant. Moving around the facility is allowed only in the presence of your guide. Traffic routes in the production areas and outside the plant are marked with yellow lines. Follow the line carefully. Always look around when exiting corners and places with limited visibility. Use spherical mirrors. When walking up the stairs, take your time and always hold onto the handrail. Guests cannot enter the premises marked with a no entrance sign. Smoking is only allowed in designated areas outside the buildings. Taking photos and filming on the premises of the company is possible only with the consent of the plant director. You are not allowed to bring, consume or stay on the company's premises under the influence of alcohol or other intoxicants. The key threats in IMI are slips, trips and falls, transport, moving parts of machines, splinters, chemical substances, and the explosion danger zone. Slips, trips and falls. Only follow the designated roads. Pay attention to marked slippery surfaces as well as thresholds and lowered passages. Talking and using a phone while moving around is forbidden. If you need to talk, stay in a safe place. After the conversation is over, you can move on. Transport. Watch out for vehicles moving between the halls and forklifts. If there is a forklift in the vicinity, stop and make sure you are noticed by the operator. Vehicles have limited visibility. Be extremely careful when crossing road junctions. Look from side to side and make sure the passage is safe. Forklifts take priority. Do not enter the crane's working area. This area is marked with a yellow and black tape. Pay attention to transferred loads. Heavy elements might be dropped. Moving parts of machines. Do not get close to or touch operating machines, devices and control panels. Moving parts of machines might cause an injury. Splinters. The plant has a lot of small elements that are assembled with presses. A part may chip off and your eye might be injured. In the production area, always wear safety glasses. Chemical substances. Chemicals may only be used by trained personnel. Do not touch tanks and other packages containing chemicals. If you notice a leak, immediately inform your guide about it. Explosion danger zone. There is an explosion danger zone in the TSU hall. This zone has been marked with a special EX marking. Only authorized persons have access to the room. Security of subcontractors. Remember, the employer is legally responsible for an employee of a third party. All work performed on the premises of the plant must be carried out in accordance with the applicable health and safety rules. Your employer must provide you with all the required personal protective equipment. The work of subcontractors can always be inspected by an IMI employee. You can find out about all the current rules from your IMI work coordinator. Before starting work, you should obtain a permit to perform it and familiarise yourself with the applicable health and safety policy. They contain all the requirements for safe work performance. Emergency situations and evacuation. If you witness a dangerous situation or you have an accident yourself, report it to your guide immediately. There are fire extinguishers and first aid kits on the premises of the plant. You will also find a defibrillator by the medical room. In the event of an alarm, immediately leave the building through the nearest emergency exit and go to the assembly point. It is marked in the leaflet. All escape routes are marked with green arrows. Wait for the instructions of the person in charge of the action at the assembly point. Environmental protection. Out of concern for the environment, we segregate waste on the company's premises. Please put garbage in the appropriate containers. If you generate waste during the work, you must take it with you and ensure its disposal. Leaving the company premises. After finishing your visit, go to the reception. Leave there the security measures assigned to you. When you leave, your car may be inspected by a security guard. Safety is our priority. Please follow the rules governing our plant. We wish you a pleasant and safe stay at IMI.